Hi everyone, a pleasant day to you all. Today I welcome you to listen to a literature class. So this is about a piece of drama, The Tempest by William Shakespeare. So William Shakespeare was famous for all his plays. He wrote about 37 plays, then 154 sonnets and 2 narrative poems. So all of his works are still very popular because of his universal approach. So let us see first the characters of this drama. So we have a Duke of Milan, Prospero. So he is the main, we can say main actor of this Tempest. He has a beautiful daughter named Miranda. So when he was ruling Milan, he was so powerful and he was ruling very well. But his brother, his name is Antonio, he was jealous of him. So with the help of the king of the Naples, they plotted and they deported. That means they exiled the Duke of Milan with his daughter. So the both were left in the sea without anything. Of course, Gonzalo, the counselor of the king, helped them by giving some provisions and books. They are magic books. So with the help of magic books, Prospero was able to make uh, magic wonders in the sea. So they were almost 12 years they were in an island. Nobody was there. They were living completely alone in the island and they were suffering. At that time, Prospero got two slaves, Caliban and Ariel. So Ariel was not like a human being. Ariel was like a witch or you can say fairy. But Ariel was helping Prospera for doing magic, bringing storm and bringing fairies and etc. So what happened after 12 years? Here the king's daughter was to be married to the prince of Africa, Tunis. So after the wedding, they were returning by ship. While they were returning by ship, they crossed the island where Prospero and Miranda were staying. So Prospero took this opportunity to take revenge on them. So he sent Ariel to bring about storm. So the storm came, the ship was struggling and it wrecked in the middle of the sea. So everyone in the sea were thrown into the sea and they were separated and reached the shore where the Prospero was staying. So, but they were not in group. They were divided into two, three groups. Miranda was alone. So Prospero asked Miranda to bring Ferdinand. So Ferdinand was the prince that is son of Alfonso, the king of Naples. So Ferdinand, when he came to see Prospero, he was surprised to see Miranda. So they both fall in love. So this falling in love and dating was going on for a certain time in the drama. So the king was not king. The Duke of Milan was very happy to see his daughter dating with the prince or the son of king. So it was going on, and later he asked Ariel to bring the king also. So Ariel went and brought the king as well as his brother Antonio and the king's brother Sebastian all together to the island where Prospero was there. And Prospero revealed that the storm was set by him only. So he took as a revenge. So everyone relented, and finally his brother also asked sorry. Prospero also forgave. So it was a happy ending in the story. So it is said that this play was written when Shakespeare was very happy towards the last part of his life. So we see most part of this drama, all these comedy pieces of characters of comedy. So having fun and living in a dream world, in the magic, the love making, everything was perfectly done. So one of the best plays of William Shakespeare. So let us see some questions related to this drama. Who was the chief spirit? We know that there is a role of chief spirit in the drama. Name is Ariel. So he was helping Prospero for all these spirits related things in the drama. Who raised the dreadful storm? So by watching the drama The Tempest, we know it was Prospero, because he only raised the storm and he purposely did this to take revenge on his brother as well as the king. Who provided the books and provision of Prospero? So Gonzalo was the counselor of the king as well as Duke of Milan, helped him. He gave the books and provisions. From those books only he learned magic. Who was the second human being seen by Miranda in the island? So Miranda was there in the island when she was a child. So she remained there for more than 12 years. So the first human being she had been seeing is her father. So the second human being is none other than Ferdinand, the prince, the son of King of Naples. Who was the Duke of Milan? So who was the Duke of Milan? Prospero was the Duke of Milan. So these are the 5 questions. Let's see some important quotations from the Tempest and their meanings. You taught me language and my profit on it. Is I know, hasn't the cause, the real Blake read you for learning me your language. So in these 3 lines we say it is spoken by Caliban. So Caliban was a slave of Prospero. So there also we see there is a vexed relationship between colonized and colonizer. So Prospero is depicted as a colonizer because he was ruling in that island, and Caliban was the native of that island, but he made him as a slave. At the same time he wanted to have freedom from him. Though Caliban learned the language and the prosperity provided by Prospero, he was happy. But all the more, he wanted his freedom. He wanted to be separate from him. He didn't want to live as a slave. I am your wife if you will marry me. If not, I will die your maid to be your fellow. You may deny me, but I will be your servant. Whether you will or no, Miranda's undying love is 3. So Miranda's undying love for Ferdinand is portrayed in these lines. Then the next, leave not a rack behind, we are such stuff. Our dreams are made on little life, is rewarded with a sleep. So here Prospero was about to leave the island, and he was just telling whatever happened in the island was just like a dream. So we are not supposed to live in dream for a long time. So we have a real world to deal with. So he is happy to go to his real kingdom, Milan. So that's all about this Tempest. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.